Today I'll show you how you can remove the comment section in 2019 WordPress theme. Now to remove the comment section, first you'll need to go to your WordPress admin. Here go to appearance, then go to customize. In the customizer, go to additional CSS. Now the link for the CSS codes is in the description. So go to the link from the description and get the CSS codes that you'll need for hiding the comment section. So the first code is to remove the whole comment section. So copy this code and paste it here. This will remove the whole comment section from your 2019 WordPress theme. Click on publish. There you go, the whole comment section is now gone. Now if you want to remove the comment box only and just want to keep the old comments as it is, then use this command. This command will remove the comment box and keep the comments. There you go. Now click on publish. This code will remove the comment box and keep the comments. After that, if you want to remove the reply option, then copy this code. This is the reply option that you can remove using that code. So copy it. After that, paste here. The reply option should now disappear. You can also remove the comment icon, which is the icon that is displayed below the title. There it is. To remove it, just copy that command. After that, paste it here and click on publish. And that is how you can remove the comment section in the 2019 WordPress theme. With the help of this tutorial, you will be able to remove the comment section, comments, the comment box, the reply option, and the comment icon. Now if you need any more help with this tutorial, then you can comment down below in the comment section. Thank you.